Hi friends, Simit here from InformedTrades.com. Today's April 11th, 2014. Time for our daily Forex chart review. Basically, in this session each morning, I share the trades I'm placing and the adjustments to existing positions I have on the market. So it's basically live trading, seeing the trades I'm placing. I'm a Forex price action swing trader. So looking off the daily charts, I'm looking to ride trends, looking for turning points in trends based on price action analysis. If any of the jargon I'm using is unfamiliar to you, or if you want to learn more, explore other styles of trading, and of course share your knowledge, join us at InformedTrades.com. We have a large archive of learning material, all designed to help traders learn. Check it out, register as a member, and we can all learn together. Let's get started with a look at the charts. Okay. So right now on the screen you're seeing QB dollar. I am not placing a trade on that, not in a position on that. That was just the last chart I looked at. That's often the last chart I look at. I just sort of go down the list. This morning, so at the moment I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions on. 3 of them are at break even. Oh, excuse me, 2 of them are at break even. So I have risk exposure on 1, 2, 3 trades. Let's sort of go down the list. Let's start with the positions that are live and at break even. So when a position is live and at break even, that means my stop has been moved to break even, and the position is currently floating in the money. I haven't closed it, but my stop is at break even. So here's you can see right now Euro Swiss. I entered at this red line 121.42. It rallied. I entered at the red line like right around here or so, somewhere in mid-March. It rallied above this orange line, at which point I moved my stop, which is originally down here, to break even. It's since started reversing, and you could argue that I should have closed it out here on this very clear reversal signal here, especially evening star pattern. But I still, I took some profits on another trade, and I try to hold out for the real target. For me, it's all about the big wins that make up for a large number or larger number of small losses. But my stop is at break even, so even if the price comes down, hits the red line, I won't lose any money. I won't get any money, but I won't lose any money. So that's Euro Swiss. Nothing to do. With these positions that are at break even, it's just a matter of waiting until whether it hits your stop at break even or it hits your target profit, which is all the way for me, all the way up here. That's Euro Swiss. Now the other position that's at break even is pound yen. Let's take a look at that. Yeah, pound yen. I entered right around here or so. It closed above this orange line. When it was here, right at around 127.30 or so, I took half off. Okay, so I did take some profit here. Now we are back at this level at the 50 simple moving average. My stop is still here. The position is still in the money. My target, you can see it on the monthly chart, is really far out, and that's the way I'm playing the yen. Way far out, 190.11, all the way up here. So that's 2,000 pips away, a little more than 2,000 pips away. So it's going to take a while to get there, most likely, if at all. But if it does, the payday will be pretty significant. Now that's pound yen, and I have a similar approach to all my yen positions. One yen position that got stopped out today was this one. Canada yen, I had entered at 92.40. Unfortunately, it's not on. I don't know why it's not on here. But I entered at 92.42, right around here. That's where I entered at. I entered like way back here. It came down and it almost hit my stop. My stop was like right here. It rallied up. It was I should have, in hindsight, of course, I should have taken profit here, but it came back down and took my stop out here at break even. So I didn't lose any money, but that position is no longer on. Okay, so what's the other? Those are Euro, Swiss, and pound yen are my 2 positions on where they're at break even. Now I have 3 positions that are not at break even. One is pound Kiwi, and this one just got filled yesterday. It just got filled yesterday off this red line, this dashed black line. My stop is at this red line, If it closes above this dashed orange line, I will move my stop to break even, so I'll move this red line to this black line. Until then, it's just a matter of waiting. But so far, the position is in the money. There's a long wick candle there, which is a slight cause for concern, but I'm not going to make any adjustment just yet. That long wick suggests, bears could be stepping in to really defend this level, but we'll see. Okay, so that's pound Kiwi. Another position I have on is Euro Australian dollar. And this one is still hovering near my break-even point where it has been. I've been in this position for a few days now. I think I got it. I got filled at this black line here, and I think I got filled right here on April 8th. My stop is at this red line. The fact that we're seeing this tight range is a bit encouraging. Part of me is a little concerned that my stop might be a little too close, but I do think this looks a little bit like a base forming. So we'll see. To me, it still looks like an uptrend. If we can close above this dashed orange line, I'll move my stop to break even. Otherwise, no real action to take. That's Euro Australian dollar, near my entry position, but a little out of the money at the moment. Then there's dollar yen. So another yen position which got filled yesterday. Okay. And I'm entering, I got long here. In hindsight, I should have, entered maybe at like 101.50 or 101.30. That would have been much support. There's support here, 101.35. That would have been a much better level entry at, and I'd be slightly in the money if I did. Still okay though. My stop is at 194. In general, I still think the yen is going to head higher soon. I think we're bottoming, but we'll see. But yeah, nothing to do really on this position until, well, the one thing, an adjustment I should make is that once we close above, what's the range here? Yeah, once we close above this level, 103.31, then I can move my stop to break even on my dollar yen position. Now, one order I have, which is pending and not filled, is on euro yen. So you can see, I've got 2 yen positions live. One is at break even, and this yen position is not filled yet, but it's close, right? So if it comes down to this black line, which is about 20 pips away, it will get filled. My stop is at the red line, and my target profit is way, way higher. With the yen positions, I'm targeting a much further away entry point, or excuse me, exit point. I think it might be on this chart somewhere, but you need to zoom out to the weekly to see my targets, maybe even monthly. Yeah, okay, so this is 1,300 pips away, about the target. So that's about it. I didn't place any orders on at the moment. I have, let's see, just to recap, I have 5 positions on Euro Aussie, Euro Swiss, Pound Yen, Pound Kiwi, and Dollar Yen. 2 of those positions are at break even, so I have risk exposure for 3 trades: Pound Kiwi, Dollar Yen, and Euro Aussie. Euro Swiss and Pound Yen are at break even. That's about it. No orders to place. I'm near my risk capacity. I have room for one more trade. I think Pound Swiss might be ready next week. That's something I got my eye on. But that's about it. Any questions you have, anything you want to add, check us out at InformedTrades.com. Share your knowledge, and we can all learn together. That's about it for this week. I will see you next week. Best of luck in your trading.